Alrighty guys, my name is Ultimate Warzone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing some Fortnite. There's this Ice King event that happened, and he made the whole map full of snow. And then there's this new Ice Kingdom set. Well, actually I don't think it's new. There's the Ice Cream. Actually, I don't think it's new. I think it's the Ice King set. Let's see. Yeah. It's part of his set. So there's the Ice King, and in the item shop there's the Ice Queen, like with Oblivion and Omega Season 4. But okay, I'm going into solo. Basically, Ice Storm is just let's see. It's just all the map is snow, which it's like that in the other modes, and okay, so it's Fortnitemares. Yeah, it's Fortnitemares, except the zombies are ice, except the golden ones. Those stay, they stayed the same. Yeah. Taking a little while to load. Oh, I'm gonna join this party. Oh, never mind. Oh, can't do that. 1 second. With this account, I gotta sign out. I'm sorry about this. Sorry, PlayStation is sometimes kind of hard to use. Whoa, okay. As you can see, the whole map is ice. I shall go now over here. Yes. Now I'll try and create a party. Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo.
Hello.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah? What did he do?
Let's go. Oh.
What did he do? Sorry, something's happening. Okay. That's bad. By the way, I'm recording a video.
Actually, I'm gonna see that.
Seriously? That's... Ugh. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't right now. I'm recording a video. No. They cannot hear you. My viewers cannot hear you. Yeah. Because I'm recording with a tablet and my head. I don't have something to cut it out. They can hear me talking, but not you, okay?
Easy.
It's perfectly okay. What? I wanted to record the new Ice Storm event.
That guy. How can he not be that bad? Huh?
I know. I watched the event live. Sadly, Keith only got to watch it on like a live stream, but well, I died. Eliminated by a cube brute. Well, guys, that was the Ice Storm event. I hope you guys have a good day. Sorry about that little talk, but yeah, bye.